Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm coming to you with a brand new collection by Crafter's Companion, which is called Taking Flight. And we've got, as you can see, we've got beautiful dies, and these are all, let me double check, the same size. So these are 6.7 inches by 4.7, and the first one is the Sweet Bumblebee. It has two cutting dies inside, so you've got this outside cutting die and the one which you can use and doesn't have the cutting edge all over, so you can actually cut into your card. So let me show you the project for this set. So this one is Sweet Bumblebee, and of course it has to be black. And I really like this one because it's what I did, I cut into the card and then cut around that frame, I glue acetate behind it, and then I added some yellow, I cut another piece and put the paper piece, the yellow bits in for the body. And then I used a beautiful collection. This is the old paper pad we had in the Crafter's Companion, I think about 3 years ago, but I still have that paper pad, so it was very useful to use it with this card. So this one is the measurements. Let's see, can't remember. It's 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 of an inch, so it's a bit over 5 by 7, but I really like that one. So that's the first one. Then we've got the Lady Butterfly, again, two pieces the same size, and you can see at the back what kind of dies and how they look like. And for this one I've done one project, let me see, because for some I had to do two. So yes, so this one is just a one project, and I really wanted to go monochrome. So I thought for this one, what I did, I cut into multi-purpose white card, and I used the purple from, I think it's from either Hydrangea collection. It's either from Hydrangea collection or Secret Garden collection, luxury cardstock. So that's the one, and that's the second project, and this one is from Lady Butterfly. And then let me show you the Dainty Dragonfly. For this one I had to do two projects. So the first one is this one, which stands up like so. Oh, I have to glue this bit. So it's like so, and it's it doesn't have any acetate or no vellum, so I thought it will be really nice to do a different project. And what I did, I cut into this long panel, and then I cut a frame and place it over it, and then I stamped the sentiment. Sentiment is from an old sentiment set from I think it was together with some puzzle collection, puzzle sentiments. So I used this sentiment set to add this birthday wishes to you. So that's another project. And what I did, you can ink those bigger elements, and you can use different colors. So it's really fun, and it was nice to play with this one. And because I use inks on this sample, I thought the second one will be quite plain, because I thought I really want to highlight the beauty of this dragonfly by cutting it into white cardstock and putting black behind it. So the black is the matte black from Crafter's Companion. If you want to get fantastic quality of black and white card, go to Crafter's Companion, because they've got really fantastic cardstock. And then Just Because comes from which set? Let me try to see if I have it. No, I think I put it away already. So it's Just Because, and I've got a Centura Lilac card here from, I think, the Secret Garden, I think that luxury cardstock, I think. Can't remember. I think I put everything away, so I can't tell you exactly, but I will try to link as many products below the video as I can, of course, together with the collection. And I added some sequins, which I haven't used for a while, but I thought it would be nice to add that bit as well. And the last die set is the Admiral Butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful butterfly. And for this one, I thought I need to do at least one shaker card, and I did that with this one. Look at those beautiful sequins inside, very colorful. And what I did with this one, I cut the butterfly into blue, light blue. Then I cut another one in white, and you can see that I offset both of them slightly to create this shadow effect. I hope you can see it, and I really like it. And I put the light pink behind it, so I think this is my favorite project from this collection. Actually, I love this one as well. I love this one. Definitely love this one as well. So yeah, there are lots of different oops, I just pushed the camera. So I hope you like this collection. I hope you like the project I've done with this collection. There are so many different things and different card folds you could do with this, and I'm looking forward as always to read your comments, because by reading your comments I can maybe improve on quality of videos or on my videos overall. So thank you so much for watching. There is this Crafters Companion a playlist on my channel, because I, as you know, I'm on a design team for Crafters Companion, and I do have a lot of videos, because at least every month I work with at least 3 different collections. So if you're looking for something, check out that Crafters Companion playlist, which I'm going to add at the end of this video, so you can have a look. Maybe you can go and see other old collections you maybe missed, or you have it but you are looking for ideas how to use it. So yes, check it out. So thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to read your comments as always, and yes, I will see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.